Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance A220 Problems, 777 Upgrades and AMP. The next chapter for Swiss Airlines. Swiss International Airlines is entering a new chapter in 2025, upgrading its Boeing 777 fleet while addressing ongoing Airbus A220 issues. From reliability challenges to cabin modernization, we break down what's changing for Swiss and how it's shaping the airline's next era of excellence. A220 fleet crisis hits 22% grounded. As of mid-October 2025, 79 out of approximately 360 delivered A220s were AOG, aircraft on ground, 22% of the global fleet. Because of Pratt & Amp, Whitney GTF corrosion and high-pressure compressor issues, the number is still climbing. Swiss permanently parks all 9 A220,100s. Launch customer Swiss has grounded every A220-100 for at least 18 months, until mid-2027, and is cannibalizing their engines to keep the 21 A220-300s flying. CFO Dennis Weber. It will certainly last about 1.5 years. No end in sight until 2030. Swiss CEO Jens Fellinger told analysts the PW1500G reliability problems will dog the airline until the end of the decade. More than 10 A220s are already unproductive. 2026 will be worse. Airlines walking away from the A220. Air Austral is retiring its entire A220 fleet in 2026 and switching to A320neos. Korean Air had and GT, 40% of its A220s grounded earlier this year, forcing network cuts. American Airlines retrofits 777,200 fleet. AA confirmed it will fully refurbish its 20 Boeing 777,200 starting 2026. Plus 25% premium seats, flagship suites plus premium economy. Seat-back IFE in every class, Viasat high-speed Wi-Fi, new mood lighting, keeping the jets flying into the 2030s. Swiss enters the A350 era. On the 31st October 2025, HBIFA Lausanne operated LX2152 Zurich Palma de Mallorca with 233 passengers. The first revenue A350 flight for Swiss, launching the Swiss Senses cabin concept. Training phase now. Long haul starts the 20th of November. Until mid-November the A350 is flying short European sectors, Dusseldorf, Malaga, Hanover, for crew familiarization. First transatlantic revenue flight. Zurich-Boston on the 20th of November 2025. 10 A350,900s by 2031. SWISS will take 5 ex-LATAM A350,900s immediately and 5 new-build aircraft, reaching 10 frames by 2031. 25% lower fuel burn and carbon dioxide than the A340s they replace. Swiss Senses cabin highlights. Quietest cabin in the fleet. Bigger overhead bins, 4K seat back screens, Bluetooth audio, wireless charging, 45-inch first-class suites, some with double bed, 1-2-1 business with doors, proper premium economy, and redesigned economy with more legroom. Big picture for Swiss. The A350 marks the end of the quad-jet era. Last A340 retires 2026. And the beginning of a modern, sustainable long-haul product. Meanwhile, the A220-100 saga shows even launch customers can be forced to park brand-new aircraft when engine OEMs fail to deliver reliability. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.